During lockdown, we organized numerous breakfast runs, and people were eager for any chance to have fun. And some events supported good causes, like our GBV run, which was hosted for 2 consecutive years at the height of the gender-based violence awareness in South Africa. Over time, more enthusiasts began hosting their own breakfast runs, often heading to Hartbeespoort and concluding at spots like V8 Roadhouse. And for many people, breakfast runs began to be boring because it was the same places, same routes over and over again. How's it? Welcome back to the channel. If you love cars, adventures, and great company, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest runs. Today, we are switching things up. We are attending the Gontle Lifestyle Events Breakfast Run, an annual event that brings car lovers together for an epic drive, great vibes, and a stylish destination. This year, the convoy is heading to the picturesque Hartbeespoort, also known as Harties. Hartbeespoort is a scenic town in the northwest province, located just 40 to 50 kilometers from Pretoria. It's famous for its beautiful dam, mountain roads, and vibrant lifestyle scene, making it one of the most popular weekend getaway spots in SA. If you're into boating, hiking, car meets, or just a chill Sunday drive, Harties always delivers the perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. Not just stopping at any stop. This time, we're heading to Legacy on the Dam. And I quote, a beautiful, serene events and garden restaurant and camping venue nestled between nature's beautiful trees on the Hartbeespoort Dam waterfront. Quote for quote. Before we hit the road, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and check out our merch store. Grab some gear and support the movement. Our route today sees us moving from Pretoria North, Wonder Park, heading on to the N4 for some nice rolling shots, and back to the back roads of Hartbees towards our end location. On the way, you know how we do. We're going to do some spinning, some sound tests, and of course, some insane close-up rolling shots. Ooh, look out for those ones. YouTube channel, guys. I was once skinny with this guy before.
Look at you.
Back in the days, he knows what I'm talking about. So good day, guys. We are at the Gontle's Convoy meet here, and just waiting to see how it's gonna go. But so far the lineup is not bad. We've got a couple of GTIs, M5 Comp, 240 or 235. The Clio almost killed me, but nice color. Mini Cooper, as again I said, M5 Comp. And then we have Babs here. Hello Babs, give us a shout out.
Hola.
5R, 845, and another 845. I don't even know where to focus. Nice HGTI in black. Nice colors, that's a nice color. 135, M3. M4. So let's see what else comes. I think
The rest of the convoy.
at Legacy on the Dam, and let me tell you, this place is something else. It's got the perfect mixture of nature, relaxation, and good vibes. The venue was a chilled place, cool, nearby the dam, where we sat, enjoyed the food, and talked about cars. Ones like these aren't just for the drive, but they're about the community, the passion, and making memories with like-minded petrolheads. Hopefully I'll be hosting one of my own convoys soon, like the olden days, but I wanted to have a cause. And if you are gonna be available, guys, please pull through and support. More details won't be coming out soon. We have an M6, M5, M4, M3, M2. There is an M1, but not really. So this is the M1, no, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and hit the comments to let us know where we should head next. Also, check out our merch, support the movement, and rock some fresh gear. The day is over and both of these cars are on. You can't tell the difference, but look at the spoiler, look at the rims, it's different. We have a 3, we have an 8, and 5. So guys, let's listen to both of these cars. Tell me which one is louder, right? So, sounds very loud. Yeah. Look.
On the floor.
Look how low this is.
It's not bad.
Okay. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, for more content. I mean, I'm around greatness thanks to you guys. Peace out. Ciao. But there's a light display here, right? Yeah. That's what I want to see. Okay. What can I do from the key?
You can check fuel range. You can say VC.
I can't start the car.
Huh?
I can't start the car from the key.
No, you can't.
It's useless then.
We must buy another one. You must buy an upgraded one.
Okay, but it's
unlock,
not bad. Closed. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's hear the startup. Thank you. That's a bed. You reverse it with the key.
Yeah.
That's something nice. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the spirit alive.